Since the perpetual decentralized exchanges airdrop and price has been skyrocketing recently, there are a few that are popping out. They're both by Base, by MetaMask, by Linea, by all of these big entities. And today we're gonna go and see one of those. It's called Pacifica, and it is an invite only. So let's jump straight onto the Raptor right now. And this one is for the people that know how to trade. If you do not know how to trade, please do not participate because it is quite risky. Why? Well, it is a closed beta, so you need to be ready for everything and know what to do. And it is Pacifica right here. As we see, we only get 20 invitational codes, so it is an invite access only. Make sure to join if you know how to trade, and of course, be the first one to trade and to participate. If you're late and you see this a little bit too late, make sure to turn the notification bell on for the next video because there are gonna be many coming in the coming days. I already planned a week full of dedicated videos. And here, how it works. Well, it is very simple. It is on the Solana ecosystem, so I utilize my Phantom wallet. And as we see here, we are super early. We only got 9,500 followers on Twitter. It is closed beta and invitational only with one of the code that I gave you. And what do we know? Well, first of all, you're able to trade any asset just like any arrow. For example, here I have two long position, one on Link and one on Aster going on. You can see your portfolio, you can see your daily volume, and then we have the points. Points equals airdrop. Airdrop will come very soon. But before we go on and tell you more about Pacifica, I just want to have a quick stop over on Breakout. Breakout is the only prop firm in crypto which is bought by an L1 exchange, Kraken. And what are you able to do? Well, as you see here, I got $62,000. And how do I have $62,000 to go and trade? I'll tell you in just a second. And currently, we're going to be opening two different positions over here. A $30,000 over on Hype and a $23,000 over on Link. So as you're able to go and see, I'm trading with $60,000. How? Because I simply bought a $50,000 funded account for only $450. And you can do it as well. Or you buy a $25,000 funded account for only $250. And you understand, 10% of $25,000 is $2,500 profit. 10% of $250 is $25 profit. So this is why I trade on Breakout a lot. It's a super nice prop firm. And as we see here, by the time I was talking to you, I'm already up $100. That's, if I do this every day, 3 grand on the daily. And all the profit that I make over here, I take it over to Pacifica and I trade there and I make my money here. I trade it over to Pacifica. I receive the airdrop, I receive the points, and so on and so on. And it is a well-oiled machine that works automatically. Account on Breakout, make money, take the money out, go and trade on Pacifica and rinse and repeat, and we are good to go. So make sure to join now. Use my link as well and my code down below. You will get yourself a nice discount when joining. But talking about Pacifica, as you see over here, the leaderboard is super easy. I've done 4 trades and I'm at rank 2,378. So there are very little people trading right now this protocol, and it is at the very early stages. So as we see here, it works on a volume basis. We got, as we said, 20 invite each, so make sure that you are the one working on it. And it is very interesting because you have all different pairs. You got, for example, here Aster, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Hype, and you can trade already up to 50x. And this is a very untouched protocol, in my opinion, when it comes to possible future airdrop, because the airdrop is already announced here with a point system, and this is how it works. We then have the agent, the APYs, all the infos. Like, it is a nice interface, and I wouldn't be surprised, let me tell you that, if some of the big players actually goes and buy Pacifica and makes it even better, just like, for example, Binance did with Aster, and we've seen now with Justin Sun with the Sun Perpetual Exchange as well. I wouldn't be surprised if this one is bought by, for example, Kraken or Bitunix or any of those other exchanges, and then becomes really big. So you need to make sure to go and join now. And it is super easy. As we said, 20 bytes, only throw the link down below, being a closed beta. You sign up, then over here you deposit your funds from your Solana wallet. Simply have it on your Phantom wallet. You deposit, and then you're good to go. You start trading. Here you go, buy or sell for long and short. Decide the margin on the top right there. You have the possibility to go and cross and isolate. You then have how much you want to utilize, take profit or the stop losses, and then over here you also have the liquidation price for having a clear sight of when this liquidation price will arise and will occur. So currently, as you see here, I got a link long, which we can go and see over here, and I bought it a little bit here higher, and I do have a liquidation price at $15. And I also have an Aster 2x long that I did buy at the top, but hey, it is only a I think it's $141 position with the liquidation price at 2 cents. So I still have room. But this is all you gotta do. You gotta trade. You gotta keep going. Trade on a daily basis. Be active there. Keep the position open. The way to earn points. They still haven't disclosed yet how you're able to go and earn points, but it is by opening the position, keeping the position open, trading regularly, and being present on the protocol. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.